Window replacement is an essential home improvement project that can enhance energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and improve overall comfort. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, where the subtropical climate presents unique challenges, ensuring the job is done correctly is crucial. Unfortunately, many people fall victim to common mistakes during window replacement. In this article, we'll explore these pitfalls and provide practical tips on how to avoid them, ensuring a smooth and successful project. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the most significant mistakes homeowners make is selecting windows that are not suited to the local climate. Palmetto Bay experiences high humidity, frequent rain, and strong sun, which require durable, weather-resistant windows. How to avoid it? Opt for windows designed for coastal environments. Impact-resistant windows, which can withstand storms and flying debris, are a popular choice. Look for energy-efficient options with coatings to reduce UV damage and keep your home cooler. Neglecting energy efficiency. Replacing windows without considering energy efficiency can result in higher utility bills and a less comfortable home. Many people overlook features like double glazing, low-E coatings, and proper insulation. How to avoid it? Invest in Energy Star-rated windows to reduce energy consumption. These windows are designed to keep your home insulated and reduce heat transfer, making them ideal for Palmetto Bay's warm climate. Skipping professional installation. DIY window installation or hiring unqualified contractors can lead to improper fitting, air leaks, and water infiltration. Poor installation compromises the window's performance and longevity. How to avoid it? Hire licensed, experienced professionals familiar with local building codes and weather conditions. Verify credentials, ask for references, and read reviews to ensure you're working with a reputable company. Ignoring building codes and permits. In Palmetto Bay, local building codes are strict, particularly when it comes to hurricane safety. Failing to comply can result in fines, delays, or the need to redo the installation. How to avoid it? Before starting your project, research Palmetto Bay's building codes or consult a contractor who understands the regulations. Obtain the necessary permits to avoid legal and safety issues. Underestimating costs. Many homeowners underestimate the total cost of window replacement, including materials, labor, and potential upgrades. This can lead to budget overruns and compromises in quality. How to avoid it? Request detailed quotes from multiple contractors, including all associated costs. Factor in the price of energy-efficient features and durable materials that can save money over time. Choosing aesthetics over functionality. While appearance matters, prioritizing style over functionality can result in windows that look great but don't perform well in Palmetto Bay's challenging climate. How to avoid it? Strike a balance between aesthetics and performance. Choose windows that complement your home's design while meeting durability and energy efficiency standards. Overlooking maintenance requirements. Some homeowners select windows without considering long-term maintenance, leading to unnecessary expenses and effort. How to avoid it? Choose low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping, corrosion, and fading. Discuss cleaning and upkeep with your contractor to select the best option for your lifestyle. Failing to account for proper ventilation. Improper window design can lead to inadequate ventilation, trapping heat and humidity indoors. How to avoid it? Select window styles like casement or sliding windows that allow for optimal airflow. Proper placement and design will improve indoor air quality and comfort. Not considering noise reduction. Living in a bustling area like Palmetto Bay can mean dealing with outside noise. Failing to account for this can result in a less peaceful home environment. How to avoid it? Install windows with soundproofing features, such as double or triple glazing. These options provide a quieter indoor environment while enhancing insulation. Ignoring warranties. Many homeowners overlook warranties, which can leave them unprotected if the windows fail prematurely or require repairs. How to avoid it? Choose windows with comprehensive warranties covering both materials and installation. This ensures peace of mind and long-term value. Final thoughts. Replacing windows in Palmetto Bay requires careful planning and consideration of local climate conditions, building codes, and energy efficiency. Avoiding these common mistakes can save you time, money, and stress while ensuring a durable, beautiful, and functional result. By partnering with a trusted contractor and making informed decisions, you'll enjoy the benefits of your new windows for years to come.